Hello everyone. In the last video, we had taken 22 questions of this question paper. Now we are going to read 23. Question number 23. D.H. Lawrence Sons and Lovers may be designated as a. Once again, I am going to read the question. D.H. Lawrence's Sons and Lovers may be designated as a. And the option number B is correct. Option number B is correct. Psychological novel. Miss Sons and Lovers. This novel is a psychological novel written by D.H. Lawrence. Okay, now the question number 24. Which among the following is not a novel written by D.H. Lawrence? Which among the following is not a novel written by D.H. Lawrence? And the option number D is correct. To the Lighthouse, Miss Women in Love, The White Peacock, and The Rainbow. These three of the novels are written by D.H. Lawrence. Yes. Now the question number 25. Who is the author of the book Darkness at Noon? Who is the author of the book Darkness at Noon? And the option number B is correct. Arthur Koestler. Arthur Koestler is a writer of this work or of this book Darkness at Noon. Okay, now the question number 26. The protagonist of the novel after whom the mayor of Casterbridge is named. The protagonist of the novel after whom the mayor of Casterbridge is named. And the correct answer is option number B. Hencard. Hencard is the protagonist or the hero of this novel whom the mayor of Casterbridge is named. Now the next question 27. Who is the author of In the Castle of My Skin? Who is the author of In the Castle of My Skin? And option number A is correct. George Lemming. George Lemming is the author of this work In the Castle of My Skin. George Lemming. The question number 28. Gravity's Rainbow is written by. Gravity's Rainbow is written by. Option number C is correct. Thomas Pynchon. Thomas Pynchon. Pynchon or Pynchon. Now the question number 29. Michael Ondaatje's Anil's Ghost deals with the terrorist activity in. And the option number B is correct. Sri Lanka. Now the next question. Which novel deals with the internment of the Japanese during the Second World War? Which novel deals with the internment of the Japanese during the Second World War? And the option number A is correct. Obasan. Obasan is the name of a novel that deals with internment of the Japanese during the Second World War. And the question number 31. Who authored Prison and Chocolate Cake? Who is the author of this literary work Prison and Chocolate Cake? And the option number B is correct. Nayanthara Sehgal. Nayanthara Sehgal is the author of this work Prison and Chocolate Cake. The question number 22. The book The Songlines by Bruce Chatwin deals with the Aboriginal people of. Again, I am going to read the question. The book The Songlines by Bruce Chatwin deals with the Aboriginal people of. And the option number A is correct. Australia. Okay, this book deals with the Aboriginal people of Australia. The question number 33. Who has written the poem Red Phil Barrow? Who has written the poem Red Phil Barrow? And the correct option is B. William Carlos Williams. William Carlos Williams is the poet who composed this poem Red Phil Barrow. Question number 34. As civilization advances, poetry almost necessarily declines. Who said this about epic poetry? Who said this about epic poetry? Means whose statement is this? As civilization advances, poetry almost necessarily declines. And the option number D is correct. Macaulay. Macaulay is the correct option. Sorry. The question number 35. Who is Thyrsis in the poem of the same name written by Arnold? Who is the Thyrsis in the poem of the same name written by Arnold? Means Thyrsis is the name of a poem. It has been composed or written by Matthew Arnold. Then who is Thyrsis? And the correct option is A. Arthur Hugh Clough. Arthur Hugh Clough. Next question 36. Aristotle argues that the soul of tragedy is. Aristotle argues that the soul of tragedy is plot. Plot is the correct answer. According to Aristotle, the soul of tragedy is plot. Question number 37. The concept of hegemony. The concept of hegemony was introduced by, and the correct option is A. Antonio Gramsci. Antonio Gramsci. This is the person who introduced this concept, hegemony. And the next question 38. The famous work Culture and Society is authored by. Who has written this work, Culture and Society? This work is very famous. And the option number C is correct. Raymond Williams. Raymond Williams is the correct option. Who has written this work, Culture and Society? Now the next question 39. Who coined the phrase egotistical? Who coined the phrase egotistical sublime? Who coined the phrase egotistical sublime? And the option number A is correct. John Keats. John Keats is the correct answer. Who coined this phrase egotistical sublime? So question number 40. Wolfgang Asser's name is associated with, and the correct option is D. Reader response criticism. Now the question number 41. Who is the writer of the essay? The Laugh of Medusa. The correct option is D. Helen Kixon is the writer of this essay, The Laugh of Medusa. Next question 42. The Empire Writes Back was the phrase used by one of the following writers. Again, I am going to read this question. The Empire Writes Back was the phrase used by one of the following writers, and the correct option is C. Salman Rushdie. Salman Rushdie is the correct answer. Who used this phrase? The Empire Writes Back. Okay, now the question number 43. In which form of poetry is the speaker imagined? To be addressing a silent listener? In which form of poetry is the speaker imagined to be addressing a silent listener? And the correct option is D. Dramatic monologue. Dramatic monologue is the correct answer. Question number 44. Sir Philip Sidney employs rhetoric as a tool to make his argument. And the correct option is A. Forensic. This tool has been used by Philip Sidney to make his argument. Okay, now the next question 45. The last 6 lines of Petrarchan sonnet are called. And the correct option is D. Sestet. Sestate is the correct answer. Now the question number 46. A lyric in the form of an address to a particular subject written in varied meter is known as. I am going to read this question again. A lyric in the form of an address to a particular subject written in varied meter is known as. And the correct option is B. Ode. Ode is the correct option. Question number 47. Things fall apart. Things fall apart. The center cannot hold is the line from. And the correct option is D. The second coming. The second coming is the correct answer. Things fall apart. The center cannot hold is the line from the second coming. Now the question number 48. Space is credited with introducing the sonnet form to England. And the option number A is correct. Henry Howard Surrey. Henry Howard Surrey is credited with introducing the sonnet form to England. Means he is the first man who introduced this form of poetry sonnet in England. Henry Howard Surrey. Now the question number 49. Which of the following pairs is correctly matched? Which of the following pairs is correctly matched? And the answer of this question is D. Means option number D is correct. Okay, now the last question of this question paper. The subaltern studies was a series of volumes edited by. The subaltern studies was a series of volumes edited by, and the correct option is Ranjit Guha. Ranjit Guha is the correct answer. Okay, in this way we have included the question from 23 to 50 in this video, because in the last video we had added 22 questions. Okay.